If you're wondering how you can reset all the camera settings on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Select Reset All Settings one more time. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone, including the camera settings. Because the iPhones does not have a dedicated option to reset all the camera settings, so we will have to reset all the settings to reset the camera settings. And once this process is completed, just go to your home screen, and if we open the camera app, as you can see, we have successfully reset all the camera settings of our iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can reset the camera settings of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.